Hi everybody, my name's Spencer from Prezi. I wanted to start by saying that storytelling is one of the most powerful tools that you have when it comes to leadership communication. It helps you bridge the past and the future in the present. And it doesn't matter if you're leading a team or a department or even a whole company. You have two jobs when it comes to leadership storytelling. The first is to tell the "and they all lived happily ever after" story. How do you paint a picture of the future place that you're trying to get your team or department or company to? The second job is to understand that if your team's highest purpose is not making that story come true, then it's all for nothing. So join me in the workshop at Savage Marketing, and I'm going to give you the tools and the tips and the processes to help you do those two jobs. I hope to see you there.